Hello everybody, welcome today brand new day on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, November the 17th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and also in this newspaper an additional and extra Sudokus, but only one regular Sudoku, and this will be number 1893. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one we have here 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 is 10 12 15 plus 4 is 19 20 24 26 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku, yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. We see here 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then in this big square, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 4. We have the 6 and the 4 in this row, so no 6 and the 4 in those 3 boxes. The 6 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then those missing numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 9. 3 5 9, 3 5 9. 3 5 9. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9s will be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers. No, not 4. Let me see. In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in, and that comes on the middle column. The only place for a 2 should be there. And then I cannot continue with 2. How about the first row? 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 8, and the 9. I see here an 8, no 8 there. And 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. The 1 and the 9 goes there. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those numbers are the 1 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the second row, only place for a 6 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number. 19999 5 1 and 9. 197. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. 8 should be there. 4 should be here. 9. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. Alright. Yeah, it's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the 4 goes there. 4 goes here. Alright. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 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 The only place for the 4 should be there. 3, 3, 9. 9 and a 5. Okay. Six. Ay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing, alright. 9. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. And we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 in this row should be there. The 3 and the 5 are left. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And now we have a pair, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So in the third row, the 4 and a 7 here. That means 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 8. 1 and 8, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 5. Here also 3 and 5, 3 and 5. 3, 5, and 1 is missing here, the 1. Alright. 9 and 1, 9 and 1. 3 and 5. Here we have also a 4 here. 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. Then 2, 3, 9, 9, 8, 8. Yes. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 3, no, the 5 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 3. I still cannot fill this yet. Here, 5 and the 3. Also cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 boxes, the 9 and the 3? We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. 1 should be here. The 5. How about the 6? Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6s in those 2 boxes. Here 6. No 6s in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark them for you, 1 and 2. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so on the row between. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. 5 and 3 are missing. In this column we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 2. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. No, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Now I can fill this. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you, Alec. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.